Who, me? Why would I not be okay? It's 78 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and you look like you are ready for the beach. Ha ha! Oh, Bumbly, can't you see? I'm just chilling. Chilling? No, you are not. Tell me, how are you not feeling cold? Well, neither would you, if you eat what I am eating. What? Food is keeping you warm? Not just any food. Winter food. There is something called winter food? Yes, Bumbly. Food like winter squash, clementine, sweet potato keeps your immunity high and makes your bones stronger. And this makes it easier to face the winter. And also remember, you don't get enough sunlight in winter, which means not enough vitamin D. So foods like eggs, fish and dairy products would keep you healthy too. Give me some of that winter squash now!